Good morning, children. I am Ruchika, your English teacher. Children, as we are doing the chapter number 1 of grammar book, The Sentence. Today we will do kinds of sentences. Sentences are of 4 kinds, that is assertive, which is also known as declarative. Second is interrogative. Third is imperative. And fourth is exclamatory. I am going to explain the first one, assertive, which is also known as declarative sentence. An assertive or declarative sentence says or states something. Assertive sentences are of 2 kinds. First is affirmative or positive, and second is negative. For example, the fox looked at the piece of cheese. And the second example is, the fox did not like it. Children, in the second sentence, not is written. Not means negative sentence. The fox looked at the piece of cheese, that is the first sentence, that is affirmative sentence, positive sentence. I hope it is clear to you. Second is interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence asks a question. Interrogative sentences are also of 2 kinds. First is yes/no question and second is WH question. For example, do you like stories? What kind of stories do you like? Children, in sentence 1 above is a yes or no question. It means that this kind of question can be answered in yes or no. Do you like stories? Yes or no. Such a question begins with an auxiliary verb. In sentence 1 above, do is an auxiliary verb. And in sentence 2 begins with the question word what, that is WH family. Since most of the question words what, when, where, who, whose, whom, why begin with WH, such questions are often referred to as WH questions. These questions cannot be answered in yes or no. Some statement has to be made to answer them. In an interrogative sentence, the auxiliary verb is placed before the subject. So 2 things to remember about an interrogative sentence. In an interrogative sentence, we put the auxiliary verb before the subject and we put a mark of interrogation at the end of an interrogative sentence, that is question mark. Third one is imperative sentences. An imperative sentence expresses a command, an instruction, a request or an advice. For example, keep off the grass. Here someone is commanding some other person, keep off the grass. Second is, pass me the sugar please. Please is used for request. Third is, do your homework regularly. That is advice. Someone is advising you, do your work regularly. Now fourth one is exclamatory sentences, exclamations. An exclamatory sentence expresses some strong feeling. For example, how beautiful the butterfly is. Second is, what a nuisance it is. Children, note that in order to make an exclamatory sentence forceful, we use a slightly different word order. In sentence 1, the normal word order should have been, the butterfly is beautiful. This is the normal one, the butterfly is beautiful. But if we want to change this sentence into exclamatory, we have to change like this, how beautiful the butterfly is, and then sign of exclamation. In the same way, in sentence 2, the normal word order should have been, it is a nuisance. It is a normal sentence, it is a nuisance. But if you want to change in exclamatory sentence, then the sentence is, what a nuisance it is. Sign of exclamation. We put a mark of exclamation at the end of an exclamatory sentence. Now let us recapitulate. There are 4 types of sentences. Declarative sentence, which is also known as assertive sentence. It tells something and ends with a full stop. Second is interrogative sentence, which asks a question and ends with a question mark. Third is imperative sentence, which gives a command, request, advice, instruction or order, and it ends with the period or full stop. And fourth one is exclamatory sentence. It expresses some strong feelings and ends with an exclamation mark. Children, that's all for today, and your homework is to do exercise number 5 and 6 in your grammar book. It will be discussed in Zoom class next week. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.